The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser has once again proven its legendary toughness, this time in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's New Car Assessment Program, Frontal Barrier Crash Test. Conducted by Calspan Corporation, this evaluation put the five-door sport utility vehicle through a 56.3 km/h frontal collision against a rigid barrier to measure occupant safety and vehicle integrity. The results were impressive. During the test, the Land Cruiser impacted the barrier at 56.68 km/h, and despite the force, both driver and passenger dummies remained well protected. The driver's head injury criterion measured just 205, while the passenger recorded 238, both far below the 700 threshold. Chest compression was minimal at 30.7 millimeters for the driver and 18.7 millimeters for the passenger, showing strong restraint system performance. There were no questionable data channels, and both airbags and seatbelt systems functioned exactly as intended. Post-test analysis showed the vehicle sustained a maximum structural crush of 604 millimeters at the center line, yet the doors stayed shut and operable. There was zero fuel spillage, no battery electrolyte leakage, and electrical isolation remained far above the required threshold. An important result for this hybrid sport utility vehicle. Even after impact, the windshield retained 100% of its integrity with no penetration or detachment. Toyota's attention to engineering detail, from high-strength frame materials to advanced airbag deployment timing, clearly paid off. In real-world terms, this means occupants of the 2025 Land Cruiser can expect superior protection in a severe frontal crash. The test reinforces Toyota's reputation for designing vehicles that combine durability, safety, and family practicality. If you enjoy learning about how automakers test safety performance, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth automotive coverage.